Good evening, judges, teacher, and friends. My name is Watana. I am 11 years old. I currently study in ISPS in GEP class with teacher Daniel. Before I continue, let me ask you one question. Can you imagine a world without nature? It feels like lifeless. No ocean, no animal, no tree, just a lifeless space. The truth is our forests are slowly dying. How? Because some of people cut down trees creating businesses for money. Forest fire are caused by extremely heat and people burning dry grass. Now about our ocean, there are a lot of pollution in the ocean like plastic bottle, plastic bag and waste from the factory. This pollution can make some of the sea animals die. How? Because the sea animal thought that the trash was their food, so they eat the trash. The ocean now is not like the ocean before. Long ago, there are more tortoises and dolphins, but now there are just more trash. If we don't do something, the next generation will never experience the beauty we have experienced today. These are my thoughts about nature. Thank you for listening to my public speaking speech. Thank you, judges, teacher, and friends for your take time to my listening to my public speaking speech.